Welcome to Rockstars, where your next best friend is just a stone's throw away. Tired of the hassles of traditional pets? What if we told you that you could have all the fun of owning a pet without the fuss? Say hello to the Pet Rock rental service, the easiest, funniest way to experience pet ownership. From feeding schedules to litter boxes, pets can be a lot of work. But at Rockstars, we believe that companionship shouldn't come with a commitment. That's why we offer the perfect solution, renting your very own pet rock. How does it work? Simple. Just choose your rock from our extensive online catalog. Whether you're looking for a smooth and round pebble, a jagged mountain fragment, or even a rare exotic mineral, there's a perfect match for everyone. Each pet rock comes with its own adoption certificate, custom carrying case, and a detailed care guide. Just remember to return it when your rental period is over, or you can extend the rental if the bond grows too strong. But wait, there's more. Our rocks aren't just ordinary stones. They come with unique personalities to suit your lifestyle. Meet Rocky, the thrill seeker who loves extreme sports, or Pebbles, the fashion-forward rock with a keen eye for style. Feeling lonely? We even have the Chatty Chert, a rock that's great at keeping secrets. Every pet rock is a unique character waiting to bring some laughter into your life.
Before Rockstars, I never knew how much fun a rock could be. I took mine to work, and now my whole office has a pet rock rental subscription.
My kids love dressing up our pet rock. It's the best pet ever. No mess, no fuss, just fun.
I rented a pet rock as a joke, but now I'm hooked. I even bought a tiny bed for it.
And the fun doesn't stop there. Join our Rockstars online community, where pet rock enthusiasts from all over the world share their adventures, tips, and creative rock art. Who knew rocks could be so social?
Ready to rock? Sign up today and choose from our flexible rental plans, daily, weekly, or monthly. And if you fall in love with your pet rock, you can always adopt it permanently. As a special welcome gift, first-time renters get a free set of decorative stickers to customize their new rocky friend.
At Rockstars, we believe that everyone deserves a little companionship, even if it's made of stone. So why wait? Get rolling with the Pet Rock rental service today and experience the joy of pet ownership minus the hassle. Remember, at Rockstars, our rocks rock. Visit us at rockstarsrentals.com or follow us on social media for the latest rock trends, exclusive offers, and more. Your perfect pet is just a stone's throw away.